Hi, Rockhill. Today I'm going to read a book called My Daddy Snores. I have permission to read this book from Scholastic, so here we go. On Monday, Daddy's snore boomed like a dinosaur's roar. The windows rattled, the walls trembled, so... Mommy played musical beds. She tried sleeping in my bed, but I hogged the blanket. She tried sleeping in Natalie's crib, but it broke. On Tuesday, Daddy's snore rumbled like an earthquake. It shook Mommy right out of bed. So she slept in the bathtub, but the faucet dripped water on her head. Drip, drip, all night long. Drip, 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 drip. On Wednesday, Daddy's snore chugged like a freight train. So Mommy slept in Hammy's cage, but she was too squished. It smelled funny. On Thursday, Daddy's snore buzzed like a bumblebee. So Mommy slept in the doghouse. But poor Rover didn't sleep a wink. He hauled instead very loudly. Aroo! No snoring zone. On Friday, Daddy's snore whistled like a teapot. So this time, Mommy made Daddy sleep in Splishy's bowl. But even Daddy's Buttles snored loudly. It wasn't fair to Splishy at all. On Saturday, Daddy's snore honked like a truck. Mommy had a great idea. She made Daddy sleep in our tent. Zzz. But he woke up all the birds. Then the birds woke us up. It was not a great idea after all. On Sunday morning, Mommy looked like a zombie having a bad hair day. No more snoring, she yelled. She took Daddy to the doctor, and the doctor helped to cure Daddy's snoring. On Sunday night, Daddy didn't snore. Our whole house was quiet. Mommy slept, I slept, Natalie slept, Rover and Splishy and Hammy slept, until Daddy started talking in his sleep. Thanks, I'd like more ice cream. Thanks, Rockhill. Hope you have a great day.